We're heading out on a call in the area around Kosice. It's a weekend morning and the traffic is calm. It snowed yesterday, so the roads outside the city are still not in very good condition. As you can see, the road is too narrow because of the snow for two cars to pass at the same time. Since we have the right-of-way with lights and sirens, the vehicle in front is trying to move aside to let us through. I'm trying to give it enough space and avoid stressing the driver with unnecessary honking or the siren. On our way back to Kosice with the patient, we met in another ambulance along the same path, so we continued in economy. During emergency runs, we encounter many traffic situations, and one of the important ones I want to highlight involves pedestrians. In Slovakia, the law states that a pedestrian must not step onto the road if an emergency vehicle with right-of-way is approaching. If the pedestrian is already on the road, they must immediately make way for the vehicle. This is important because at intersections there are often several cars that need to move aside to let the ambulance pass. However, if pedestrians are on the crosswalk, those cars sometimes have nowhere to go, creating a dangerous situation. Therefore, please, if you see or hear an approaching ambulance, do not step onto the roadway, leave space for vehicles to make evasive maneuvers.